Experience the breathtaking beauty of a Manizales sunset, a daily masterpiece painted across the sky of the city, recently recognized as the best city to live in Latin America. Join us for 2 minutes and 20 seconds of pure visual poetry, filmed high up in the mountains of the Colombian coffee region. This video captures the essence of why Manizales, the city of open doors and Sunset Factory, enchants all who visit and live here. Golden hour splendor. Watch as the sun dips below the rugged, undulating terrain of the Andes, transforming the sky into a vibrant canvas of orange, crimson, and deep violet. A city of pride. Pan over the cityscape where the neo-Gothic Cathedral Basilica of Manizales and its Polish corridor proudly stand tall, a symbol of the city's rich history, education, and culture, factors that contribute to its high quality of life. The best viewpoint. Enjoy the twilight fade, showcasing the city's unique, abrupt mountain topography and the sprawling greenery that integrates nature with its urban heart. It's a serene moment that reflects the optimism and strong community spirit of the Manizaleños. From its efficient public services and education to its friendly people and stunning location, Manizales is a gem. Let this sunset be your invitation to discover the unique charm of this thriving Colombian city.